Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Amazon Fire 7 to an Android device. Start by opening App Store on Amazon and Play Store on an Android. Then install this free app called Send Anywhere and open it. On Amazon, you need to select Skip at the bottom left corner, then grant access in the bottom right one, and select Allow in the pop-up. Now on an Android, select Open. Click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Send on Amazon and Receive on an Android. Then click on all of those dots and select Send. This way you can select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send over here and click on No thanks and close this window on my Android. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon, clicking while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also input this key here and tap on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!